Oh, this is awesome. Welcome to the gin, my friend. But it's more like a gin complex because you got the gin restaurant there, you got a Mexican restaurant there, pizza, winery, yogurt, coffee. I mean, it's pretty cool to have an entertainment hub just like this in downtown Belton. Even cooler is that the gin is just a stone's throw from Nolan Creek. This city was built because this creek was right here. And for the longest time, it was just sort of abandoned. And I love it that they've kind of pulled it back in and made it part of town. I mean, look at all the people out here swimming and enjoying it. Man-made rapids and flowing water? You know, I could really use a post-bike swim. But more importantly, I could use some nourishment. So we're headed to the Gin restaurant, which is appropriately located in a renovated cotton gin. And this is co-owner and co-visionary, Evan Morrison. Evan, I know what it takes to renovate an old building, and so when did you get this crazy idea that this was a good idea?
So the building found us about 6 years ago, and it was a co-op, so no one really owned it, and it ended up, property of the county.
So Evan and his partners saved it from demolition, and even saved some of the old mechanics. What would actually happen at a cotton gin? Raw cotton comes in, stems and all?
Stems and all, and it gets pulled and separated. That's the gin process, is the separating of the cotton.
Yeah.
And then it would get baled to go somewhere else to be further processed into ropes or clothing or whatever.
Got it.
The scale out front is original, so that's where the wagons used to come across, and the cotton came out and got pulled in the dining room, and then it got sent upstairs on the mezzanine, and that's when the ram made the cotton and then pushed it out the dog run out the door.
And if this history isn't reason enough to visit, well, get a load of this food.
So we refer to it as Texas cuisine, so it's chicken fried steak and ribeyes and catfish and hamburgers, stuff like that. So it's fun for us.
That's all the good stuff right there.
Yeah, absolutely. We do all of our cooking over mesquite, hardwood mesquite. There's no gas, no electric. The ribeye picks up great flavor, and the burgers are amazing.
Well, the open flames settle it. I'm getting a burger. Oh yeah. This is the Lone Star Burger with an akaushi patty. Basically, I got guac, spicy mayonnaise, bacon, jalapenos, and it's on a jalapeno cheese bun. Ooh. Lots going on in my mouth right now. Lots of flavors, and they all make me happy. That burger's been cooked over actual wood, and you can taste all of that in the patty. The bacon is thick cut, and it's almost like caramelized. 12 hours ago, I had no idea I was gonna be doing this. You know, that's the beauty of day tripping right there. If you liked this video, chances are you're gonna love another video that's somewhere right about here. Or you can visit thedaytripper.com. But above all, what I want you to do most, remember the Alamo. I'll see all y'all out on the road. Bye con Dios, amigos.